Hey everyone, it's Karina again. And when we create images, it doesn't always turn out perfectly, right? Most of the time it does, but sometimes it doesn't. Like this one has a hand just sticking out here. Most of the time I'll just tell you, just remix and get 4 more images. But if you really like this one, what I would suggest is you would go here, go to download it as a PNG. I've already done this, but go ahead and do it. And then you're going to go to your Canva account, canva.com, and you're going to go to create a design, custom size. We're doing coloring pages, so we're going to go turn this into an inches, 8.5 by 11, create new design, and then you would go here and you'd go to uploads and you would upload the photo. The image you just had, right? I've already done that. As you can see, it's right here. And then you just click on it. It's going to put it there. And I like to expand it so I can see it better. And we're going to go to edit, okay? And with the edit, we're going to go to magic eraser. And we're going to try click. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And I'm going to click here and see if it'll just take the hand. Okay, it looks like it. So now we're going to click on erase. Okay. And let's click out, see how it looks. This doesn't look perfect. If you look at if you want to see this bigger, you can also go here and expand it. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look perfect. There's also these lines here, right? So we're going to go back in. And at least for the lines, we can go here. Again, do magic eraser. And I'm just going to do it with a brush, and I'm going to bring the brush size down, okay? And then since I don't want this here, I would just go over that line. Go down like this. Go here. Let's see, this one. And this can take some time, but if this is really a picture you want, you can go ahead and just go in and do some erasing. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I just want to show you how easy this is. Okay, you see how that is? Now I just can't help myself. I've got to at least take this out. And this here looks funny. This. And this. Okay. I'm going to leave it alone after this. This bothers me too. And we're going to erase. And you just keep doing that until you have it where you want it to. Okay, so then I'd go back here, and since this isn't perfect, I'm going to try filters. You can go here to filters and see if there's anything that's going to make it look better. Sometimes it can, sometimes it doesn't. And again, you just play around with things because each image is a little bit different. But you understand why normally I just say do a remix like this. Remix. And it's going to come up with 4 new images for you. But if you did want to edit it, that's how you do it. And then you do your usual thing. You name it, and then you share it and download it. And that's as easy as it gets. Let's see what it came up with this time. 32%. See? So we got this one here. That looks like he's choking the dog. That's not good. Let's look at this one. That's cuter. Nope. Nope. I would say out of these 4, I would probably take this one. And that's how easy it is to just go ahead and do some editing. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.